Let us face the fact that as of today, no one wants to work a full-time job at the office. Many people find it more comfortable to just do all the work from home. And quite frankly, it makes sense. Remote work provides schedule flexibility, saves transportation expenses, and allows you to spend more time with your loved ones. As your time is valuable, we did all the research to give you the best options of the work that are hiring in case you consider switching career paths. Hi, Matrix Moneymaker here. Today's video is about the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now. Make sure to subscribe and watch until the end to see the best option of them all, which will best suit you. The first company hiring right now for a remote job is eMoney Advisor. eMoney Advisor is a software company based in Radnor, Pennsylvania, empowering financial advisors to meet a broad range of financial planning needs for clients. eMoney is a comprehensive and scalable technology platform and services. And overall, their goal is to provide technology solutions and services that help people talk more about money. At eMoney, they offer the position of product owner. And as a product owner, you will lead the documentation, analysis, and management of business requirements. Moreover, you will ensure that requirements are completely understood by technical teams to facilitate the design and implementation of competitive software solutions. You will work closely with the product's manager and the application development team. They offer a salary between $77,000 and $107,000, and the salary can vary depending on your skills and expertise. This is a pretty good salary. It means that you will make more than $6,000 per month. In order to qualify for this job, you need excellent communication skills, strong presentation and leadership skills, superior project management skills, and the ability to lead a team of people towards a common goal and vision. You are expected to have all the characteristics of a leader. Furthermore, you must have strong analytical, problem-solving, and diagnostic skill, and be business and technical savvy. So if you are someone who specializes or is good in business management and marketing, this is a great opportunity for you. And the good thing about them is that in their job offer, they don't mention any degrees, and you can work from everywhere, whether you are in Europe or in different states of the United States. The second company hiring right now is Strappy. Good thing about Strappy is that it is a totally virtual company and it hires only remote workers. Strappy is a content management system that is used to develop mobile applications, websites, e-commerce sites, and application program interfaces. It allows you to create an API without knowing anything about the backend or databases, basically without knowing anything about programming. At Strappy, they are searching for a customer success manager and they are hiring from all over the world. So if you are a tech person, the job suits you well and you can basically work from any place where you have a Wi-Fi connection. To qualify for the job, you need to demonstrate your ability to be a leader, but also to listen and learn from others. Moreover, you have to be familiar with customer-focused platforms such as HubSpot and Freshdesk, which are simply marketing, sales, and service platforms which help companies to attract visitors, convert leads, and close and retain customers. Furthermore, if you have experience with HubSpot CRM, it is a big plus for you. The customer success will be responsible for being the functional referent during the entire client's journey to create the smoothest onboarding and experience with Strappy. And also, you'll get to work with important customers such as Apple, IBM, NASA, or Walmart, which is a great opportunity. Another great thing about them is that they offer healthcare and they have super flexible hours. Another company that you may be familiar with that is hiring is Upwork. Upwork is an American freelancing platform based in California. Many entrepreneurs have started their career as freelancers on Upwork and have become millionaires as of today. If you are in the process of starting a freelancer career, Upwork is a great opportunity for you. Upwork is a great platform for beginners and entrepreneurs. It offers a wide variety of work opportunities and the pay is good. Upwork found that the median project pay for freelancers is $5,000. This means that on average, freelancers earn $120 per hour working on projects on the platform. However, today, they have even a job opportunity for those who are not interested in freelancing. Upwork is in need for a social media moderator for Facebook. They do not require any diplomas and require to be only 18 years old. The skills they expect from you are familiarity with the Facebook platform and Facebook page or group management, the ability to exercise good judgment, the ability to create engaging posts, respond to users' posts and comments at a timely manner, and a demonstrated interest in social media. Furthermore, as a Facebook moderator, you must have a good knowledge on how to use the platform and service, but also how to manage communities, pages, posts, and answer messages. If you're passionate about health and accounting, this job is for you. CVS Health is hiring an accounts receivable analyst. Although everybody knows CVS, let us make a quick introduction of the company. CVS Health Corporation is an American healthcare company that owns many other businesses in the health industry, such as CVS Pharmacy, CVS Caremark, and Aetna, a retail pharmacy chain, a pharmacy benefits manager, and a health insurance provider, respectively. Besides, they have multiple stores around every neighborhood where they sell pharmaceutical products and even grocery. In order to qualify as an accounts receivable analyst at CVS Health, you are expected to have a strong critical thinking and analytical skills. Because your job depends on your capacity to analyze and be cautious about data, statistics, and details. You are expected to be an organized person who can solve problems and has a strong knowledge of Excel. The minimum salary is $17 per hour and the maximum is $27 per hour, which is a decent salary and comes around $3,000 per month if you work 40 hours per week for 4 weeks per month. Your job as an accounts receivable analyst will be to enter monthly invoices into the accounting system, enter, collect, and process payments and fees, communicate on the phone with customers, and also resolve problems on a regular basis. The last job offer on the list is from CrowdStrike. If you have an affinity for programming and modeling data using softwares like Java and Python, this job was made for you. The technology niche has been the industry that has grown the most over the past years, and it has made millionaires, even billionaires, so it is a great opportunity, especially for employees who want to get a high paycheck. So, what is CrowdStrike? Well, an American cybersecurity technology company. CrowdStrike provides cloud workload and endpoint security, cyber attack response services, and threat intelligence. For this reason, CrowdStrike is the pioneer of endpoint protection. They offer a completely remote Atlassian Stack Services engineer job, which pays between $100,000 and $165,000 per month. This is the biggest paycheck of the entire list, and it is no mystery that it is in the technology industry. As an Atlassian Stack, you will be focused on management and creation, but also on automating the business processes and creating tools to allow the platform and service to perform better. To qualify for such a job, you need experience with Linux and Windows Server administration in hybrid environments, strong knowledge in Python, PowerShell, JavaScript, and Groovy, and data designing and architecture skills. To qualify for that job is a little harder than the others because it has a high paying salary, but it is still easy if you have experience in this field. I recommend that you go check the job offer on their websites to have more precise and concise information so you know everything before applying. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos about how to make money, personal finance, investing, and much more. To learn what schools do not teach you about finance, check out the latest video. Take care.